Namaskaram. So I heard that Samantha got married recently through a Bhutashuddhi Vivah, and heartiest congratulations to you, Samantha. This reminds me of the time that I also got married through a Bhutashuddhi Vivah at Isha Yoga Center. It's been 2.5 years now, but it still feels just like yesterday. I met my husband, and once we decided that we want to get married, the big question was how are we going to get married? So my mother had already started looking for these party halls in Mumbai because I'm from Mumbai. All my friends were already going through destination weddings, Goa, even abroad, some of them. So we had a lot of ideas thrown about. But around that time, I also got to know about something called a Bhutashuddhi Vivah, which is a little unconventional sort of a wedding. Initially, we were a little skeptical because my family is not much into these rituals, and getting married in front of Devi was something that seems too ritualistic to actually make sense in today's modern times. But as I got to know more about this particular ritual, I understood that this was actually an opportunity to consecrate our marriage through this particular yogic ritual in a way that my husband and I could connect on a deeper level through the cleansing of the 5 elements. Now, this may sound very wishy-washy, but once I went through the ritual, I experientially found this to be true. For me, when I was standing at the mandap, just waiting to get into the ritual, and the Sumangalis, or the female priestesses, they were arranging the ritual items, I had this moment of pause within myself to really be able to see the enormity of this wonderful step that I was about to take. And it just struck me how this contrasts with the loud weddings that you have outside. Although they're a lot of fun, I have seen a lot of my friends being really stressed out on their wedding day, including at the time of the ritual itself. They'll be like, so many things are happening around them, and the priests are telling them what to do, everything. Personally, that's not something that I would have wanted for my wedding day. So I was really glad in that particular moment that I had this little space within me to see all the people who were sitting there attending the ritual, my family, my friends, to see the step that I was about to take and what it meant for me. I saw many of them actually in tears, and people who were not even that close to me, especially maybe extended family of my mother's or my father's who came to attend, some old friends of my mother's who came to attend. They were in tears, and they were somehow involved to an extent that I was very touched. Being with Devi, being in front of Devi when we established our marital union, was something that not only made that day special but has changed my life altogether after that. And it's been 2.5 years since then. So I think I have enough proof that there was something really deep that happened in that ritual, because I felt much more deeply connected to my husband and also to everyone who attended the ritual. I have heard Sadhguru speak on this, but that particular process is an opportunity for everyone who attends to actually get their 5 elements cleansed. And that's wonderful. I don't know where this opportunity would be available in today's day and age, where parties and senseless celebrations have taken over everything. In the traditional days, marriage rituals used to mean something, and I think somewhere we have lost that. This particular Bhutashuddhi Vivah process, it has really brought back the ancient roots of our yogic tradition and established them in a very relevant and modern context of today. It's very simple, yet very profound. It's not loud or noisy. We aren't really dancing, but I could see that everyone who attended really went back feeling a little different, because I know this because people came back to me, relatives, friends of friends, friends of my mother's who really don't know me all that well but came to be a part of this celebration. They shared that there was something different about this, and it was a very wonderful process, unlike anything that they had ever experienced or expected. Sadhguru says that marriage means weaving 2 lives into one, and Earlier for me, these were just words, but after my own wedding ceremony, I have experientially realized this to be true, and I do every day of my married life. So I'm really grateful that Sadhguru has provided such a profound process for us in today's day and age when these things may be lost. I'm really glad that this could be possible for me and other married women like me.